Well, everybody, I got some exciting new news. I just purchased a Isuzu C240 50 horsepower diesel. So that's going to be the new power plant for Dos Amigos. So I paid the guy. We're going to go pick it up here in about 20 minutes and put it on the trailer. Take it down to the shop, bench run it, go through all the things like motor mounts, measurements, exhaust, all that super fun stuff, you know. It's totally not a pain. We're gonna knock that out and then hopefully get it into the boat and get back on the water here. So yeah, let's go pick it up. All right, well here she is. Comes with the mission key set and all the other goodies. All right, loaded her up, wrapped her up. Now we're gonna strap her down, send her back home. I'm gonna keep this brief because there's gonna be semis with jake brakes going by, but this is the new engine. She's a 1970s Isuzu C240. She's got a dry exhaust manifold right now, but we'll talk about that later. She's got, rod water pump, new tachometer, key, and gauge set. Comes with the books, little heat exchanger, little muffler, and I got one more thing in my car I'll show you, but we're gonna get this thing off the trailer and into the shop and go through it and fire it up. And here we're just gonna go ahead and turn her up. All right, there she is. Make sure this is threaded in nice. I don't want to drop this thing on the ground. Perfect. All right, we're gonna scoop it up with the forklift and take it inside and set her next to the Perkins. So. All right, everybody. Well, we have the little Isuzu all hooked up to power. We got it hooked up to some water here. We got our fuel. And so now we got to go through, bleed our fuel system. And we'll attempt to get this little baby up and running. All right, we got the manual out. We're going to go through the fuel air bleeding procedure. Make sure we get all that air out of the line so she'll fire up. So it says here, for bleeding the fuel system, to loosen the front bleeder screw, that would be that screw there on the right hand side of the arrow, and bleed until there's no more air, and then that's all it says. It doesn't say anything about cracking the injectors, but I'm assuming we may have to do that, but we'll see what happens. So let's get to it. All right, so first off, we're gonna get our handy dandy little absorbent pad ready, because we know this is gonna be messy already. Get that staged. We're gonna go ahead and loosen our front bleeder screw here. And I already see diesel coming out. That must be old. We'll try to flush all that out. All right. Second, we're gonna have to loosen this. This is our manual pump. We're gonna start pumping. I'm not feeling anything yet. Oh, we got air. Good. All right, now we're seeing a good flow of diesel coming out of that bleeder screw there. Still some air in there, so we're just working this all out. Make sure we get all the air out. All right, well, here we go.
Was that glow? Mm-hmm. I can hear it.
That's badass. I don't know if it's that panel's even working.
Got yourself a runner.
That oil pressure was sitting at like 40 when it was off, so I think this is just on. Alrighty. Very nice. So yeah, that's the new engine. I'm super excited to get that thing in and going. And for the exhaust manifold, I told you I was going to talk about that. It's got the dry exhaust on there right now, and it was ran with a it's called a standpipe exhaust system. I know a lot of Catalina 30s used to have that in there, the Atomic 4. Basically all it is it's a tube that goes vertically. The exhaust comes up into it from the bottom with a little baffle over the exhaust, and then water would be injected from the top and then ejected out the bottom into the wet exhaust. But I have a company that's sending me a wet exhaust manifold with cooling jackets in it. I'm just going to fit right on the C240. Fit that with a mixing elbow like the old Perkins used to have, and run that straight out the wet exhaust. It's pre-existing on the boat. I also have some awesome people on this channel to shout out. They went ahead and got me some gifts off the Amazon wish list. Thank you so much, everybody. First off, don't mean to butcher your name, mate. Ronaldo, he got me an awesome exhaust through hole for like a diesel heater, like one of the Chinese forced airs, and some fiberglass exhaust wrap. I'll throw some pictures up. But I'm going to use that here this coming winter to install a Chinese diesel heater. So thank you so much for that, man. Appreciate it. Second off is my sister. She went ahead and got me some things too. She got me this awesome floating wallet. So if I drop my stuff in the water, it's gonna float. And also this awesome little key fob holder. And it's floating waterproof as well, so I don't drop my key off the dock, because I almost did it twice. So anyhow, I really appreciate you guys doing that for me. If any of you want to go ahead and check that list out, go ahead. I'll put the description and the link below. And as always, I'm so thankful to all of you guys that decide to go ahead and support the channel. Thank you so much to everybody watching, liking, and subscribing. It's been crazy. It's been fun. And I can't wait to get back out there on the water and get sailing in the sunshine. So I'll see you all soon. Thanks again.